In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a bonus check in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening your browser and heading to the QuickBooks Online website. The quickest way is to search for QuickBooks Online and click the official link. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In, then log in with your company account. Make sure you're using the correct company if you manage more than one. From your dashboard, go to the Payroll tab. This is where all your pay runs and employee settings live. Next, choose Employees. You'll see your employee list here. Select the employee you want to pay a bonus to so we can enable the correct pay type for them. Inside the employee's profile, look for the option to add additional pay types. Click Add Additional Pay Types, then check the box next to Bonus. This tells QuickBooks that this person is eligible for bonus pay, so it will appear as an option when you run payroll. Once that's set, return to the payroll area to start the actual bonus run. Back on the payroll screen, find the Run Payroll button and click the small arrow next to it to open more options. Choose Bonus Only. This runs a special payroll focused on bonuses, separate from regular wages, which helps keep taxes and reporting clear. QuickBooks will now ask how you'd like to enter the bonus amounts. Pick the method that fits your situation. You may see options to enter different amounts for each employee or apply the same amount to multiple people. Some setups also let you decide whether the amount you enter is gross, before taxes, or net, the take-home amount after taxes. If you're unsure, gross is the most common choice for planning and reporting. Enter the bonus amount for the employee and fill in the other details. Double check the pay date to make sure it falls when you intend to issue the bonus. Add a helpful memo for your records if needed, and review any departmental or job costing fields you use. QuickBooks will calculate taxes based on your payroll settings and the employee's withholdings. When everything looks right, click Submit. You'll see a summary screen so you can review totals one more time. If the preview matches your expectations, click Submit Payroll again to confirm. QuickBooks will process the bonus and queue it for payment according to your setup, whether that's direct deposit or printing checks. And that's it. You've successfully created a bonus check in QuickBooks Online. Remember to verify the payroll confirmation and save any reports you need for your records.